on paper.
Yeah, you have to bring your own paper. That's why I said it. Right. Here we go. Ooh, nice and flying. What kind of board do you have on there? Oh, that is cool. That is a cool idea.
I wonder if I'm the only person that's ever done this. What do you think, Dave?
I've never seen a video or anything of anybody doing it.
There may be one on YouTube after today, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I need to film it. Hold on, don't do it yet. Let me get my camera started here.
Yeah.
Now that you're talking about it.
Bob's gonna have it.
Almost as good as those naked flying people. See that video where the guy put the
Yeah, the doll.
quad on the blow-up doll?
Yeah.
The sex doll and was flying around. They took that off of YouTube. I guess people got offended.
What?
I don't see anybody to get offended. It's just so much more, just more offensive than that.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Didn't chop it.
Yeah, for some reason it doesn't do it. It doesn't get quite the radical chop that you get sometimes.
Hey, come on.
Okay.